Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Heart Health 9. 9. Those pearly whites. Your teeth, your tusks, your choppers. Be very careful to take good care of your teeth. Not only can bad teeth give you oral cancer, and is there any cancer that's good? Anyway, there is a type of heart disease that an abscessed tooth collects a bacteria and it gets into your bloodstream and then it goes to your ticker and causes a certain type of heart disease. And believe Poppy, heart disease is not fun. The only good thing about it is you get to meet some really nice people: cardiologists, heart surgeons, cardiac nurses, technicians, phlebotomists, and most of them will give a chuckle. You say, Dracula's child is here. Here you go. Which one do you want? Oh, take care of your teeth. If you think you have anything wrong with the tooth, leaky filling, if it's loose and wiggly, well, yank it. Get it out now. Don't go no root canal. Don't try and save it. It's gone. Don't let it take you with it. There's nothing worse than having heart disease. Can't chew food.